those numbers look much bigger, right? Alright, let's go do this one. Okay, can you figure it out how many times I need to move my decimal? Or what do I need to multiply by? Well, this time, to make it a whole number, I need to move my decimal twice, or multiply by 100. If I move it twice here, I have to move it twice here. So my problem really should look something like this. Okay? Alright, so how many times 411 goes into 2? Well, it does not. How many times goes into 4? Well, it does not. How many times it goes into 149? It does not. So I have to check how many times it goes in 200 and 490. And I'll just give it a little guess. And let's say, I don't know, it's 24 here. So I'll give it a 6. Okay, so somewhere on the side here, I'm going to do 411 times 6. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 6, 6. 24. That's pretty close, right? Pretty close, not quite, but I'll go with 6 here. And I go 2,466. I'm going to subtract. Okay. I can't subtract here, so that's 10, and that will be 8. Let's see if I can. I don't like to do it up to my original, but okay, 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, nothing there. I'll bring 6 down. How many times 411 goes in 246? Well, it does not. Okay. Okay. I bring another 6 down. And as you can see, I have that number here and I have a number here, so I know it's 6. I already did that. Now I have to decide where a decimal is here. This one looks like decimal. That's my 8 from 9, so don't get distracted by that. The decimal is here, just right above my decimal from original place. Okay? So 6.06 or 6 6/6. Okay? Alright, shall we try another one? Okay. Let's do. Okay, I'm going to mark it so we can see that. Let's do this one. Okay, how many times? Twice. Twice here and twice here. So my number should look something like this. Okay. So how many times it goes in a 1? It doesn't. How many times it goes in a 10? It doesn't. How many times it goes in 107? It doesn't. So I have to look how many times it goes in 1074. I'm over 400. I need to be to 1000. I'll probably try twice. So 14, 1, 12, 13, 1, 8, 9. I'm really close. I cannot put another 467. So I'll go with 2. 2 times 1074. I'm sorry, 2 times 467 is 934. I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. That's 4. And that's 1. And I need to bring my 1 down. Okay, how many it will go? Let's try one more. Okay, I'm going to multiply by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2, that's 20. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. That's exactly what I need. So that's 3. 3 times this one is 1401. Subtract. Everything cancels nicely now. And I just need to worry about my decimal. So decimal right above. And voila, I'm done. Okay, I have a couple problems that I would like you to practice. So here's the first one. I'm gonna scoot it a little bit. Okay, I would like you to try this problem right here. Okay, go ahead, do it. Alright, welcome back. I'm going to do this problem for you. Hopefully you decided to move it twice. So my problem and your problem should have looked something like this. Okay, that's the most important part. Okay, so 196, how many times into 1? Nothing. Into 13, nothing. Into 132, nothing. So I have to look into 1,321. Okay. So this is about 200, right? And this is about 100 and 300. I mean 1,300, sorry. So I'll try 6. Okay, I'll try 6 times. 6 times 6, 36. 9 times 6, 54, plus 3 is 57. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5 is 1,176. And that's probably all I can do. Because after that it will take me a little bit over it. So that's 6, and that's 1,100. Hopefully you can see it. 76. I'm going to subtract. I cannot subtract here. I have to regroup it a tiny bit. 4, 5 here. I cannot do it, so regroup again. That will give me 11. That's 3 and 4. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. I have 145, and I'm going to bring 0 down. So how many times it will go 100? So I think maybe I can try one more than that. I'm just going to add another 196 to that one, just to try it. 12. 17, 1, 3, 1. That's pretty close, so I'll go for 7. 1, 3, 7, 2. I can't subtract, so that will be 4. Somewhere here. That's 8. I can't do it, so that's 3. That will be 14, right? So 14 minus 7 is 7. And now I'll bring 4 down. And the rest cancels, obviously. Okay, how many times this one? We'll go into this. Like I said, this is about 200, this is about 800. So I'll go about 4 times. Let's try it. 196 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 9 times 6 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. 4 plus 3 is 7. Perfect. Perfect match. Okay, so that's 4. 784. I'm going to subtract, and voila, I'm almost done. I have to remember that decimal. I have to remember that decimal. Okay, how did it go? Went well? Okay, do you guys want to try one more? Let's try one more. Okay, why not do, okay, our last problem for today. Let's do this one. Go ahead. Welcome back. Okay, here it is what we are going to do. Move twice. So our problem should work something like this. Right? We multiply by 100. So I can have a whole number here. It won't go into 2, it won't go to 27, it won't go into 275. So I have to look into 2,753. Well, how many times? Well, that's almost 1,000. That's almost 3. Well, let's try 2. I just want to try 2 first. Okay. So 921 times 2. That's 2. That's 4. That's 18. If you guys want to see, I can try another one. So that's 3, 6, 17, 1. So a little bit too much, So that means that 2 it is. We have 1,842. If I subtract, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1, I can't, I have to borrow, right? So that's 2 to 10, 9, and bring 7 down. Ooh, that's a big number. That's almost 10, but not quite 10, so I'll go for 9. Let's see, where can I try? Maybe here. Times 9. That's 9, that's 18, 1, 9 times 9 is 81, 82. Okay. And that's pretty close. I cannot fit another one, so I'll do 9. And I'll subtract 8,289. Okay, subtract. I have to borrow that. So 8. I have to 2. I have to borrow again. For 10, and that's 8. And I have to bring 9 down. Ooh, look at that. That's the same number here. That means I need another 9, which I know it will be 8,289. Going to subtract. And don't forget your decimal. How did it go? I hope it went well. If you have any questions, please ask. If not, you can start on the homework. Okay, good luck, guys.